Vibrant sweet potato leaf, are you curious about what's coming next? Let's dive in and find out. And here it is, freshly harvested sweet potatoes from simple foam boxes. Can you believe it? And here they are. These round, plump sweet potatoes have just been pulled up from simple foam boxes. Isn't it amazing? No need for a large garden, just a few foam boxes and a little patience, and you can harvest such high-quality sweet potatoes. The sweet potato bundles are neatly arranged. No time to waste, let's get back to planting, a spirit that never gives up. With every new cutting placed in the soil, there's a sense of hope and perseverance. The farmer knows that each step, no matter how small, brings them closer to another successful harvest. It's not just about planting, it's about nurturing dreams and never losing sight of the goal. The hard work, the dedication, it all pays off when those fresh, vibrant sweet potatoes are ready to be enjoyed. I've got 3 foam boxes all set up and ready to go, and it's time to get our hands dirty. Imagine this, each box is like a tiny, magical garden just waiting for the sweet potatoes to take root and thrive. First up, we're filling these boxes with rich, fluffy soil that's perfect for our sweet potato friends. It's like creating the coziest little homes for them. As we add this soil, we're not just preparing a planting bed, we're setting the stage for a future harvest of delicious, vibrant sweet potatoes. With every scoop of soil, the excitement builds. Soon, these boxes will be bursting with green, and you'll see how our little gardening adventure unfolds. Ready to see the magic happen? Stay tuned because the journey from soil to harvest is about to get really exciting. After a bit of effort and some good old elbow grease, I finally filled the foam boxes with soil, almost to the brim. It's like preparing a cozy bed for our sweet potato cuttings, ready to embark on their growth adventure. Imagine each box as a mini garden ready for action, filled with fresh, rich soil just waiting for those green shoots to burst through. Alright folks, here comes the fun part. We're diving back into the action, planting those sweet potato cuttings into the soil and giving them a good splash of water. It's like a sweet potato party where the soil is the dance floor and the water is the DJ. Each cutting gets its own special spot, and we're making sure they're all comfy and ready to grow. It's a fresh start, and the excitement is in the air as we kick off this new growing cycle. Imagine the sweet potatoes starting their own adventure underground, getting cozy and growing strong. It's not just planting, it's like setting up for a big show where the sweet potatoes are the stars. Stay tuned because the best is yet to come, and these little guys are gearing up to show us what they've got. As we go through this planting ritual, there's a buzz of excitement in the air. It's like we're creating a magical garden where everything is possible. The anticipation builds with each passing day, knowing that these little cuttings will soon sprout and start their journey towards becoming bountiful sweet potatoes.
The process is a joyful reminder of nature's incredible ability to renew itself. It's a fun and uplifting cycle, planting, watering, watching each step filled with promise and potential. And the best part, we get to enjoy the results of our efforts with every harvest. So let's embrace this planting phase with all the energy and enthusiasm we can muster. Here's to starting fresh, nurturing our garden, and looking forward to another season of sweet potato success.
Hey everyone, take a look, I've just wrapped up the first stage for our sweet potatoes. The planting cycle starts all over again, and I'm buzzing with excitement. Hey everyone, take a look, I've just wrapped up the first stage for our sweet potatoes. The planting cycle starts all over again, and I'm buzzing with excitement. We've kicked things off by carefully planting those sweet potato cuttings, making sure each one gets the love and attention it deserves. It's like giving each little sprout its very own VIP treatment. We've got the soil prepped, the watering can ready, and now it's just a matter of time before we see those beautiful green leaves popping up. But guess what? The fun doesn't stop here. Each new planting means more opportunities to witness the magic of growth. Look at that! Our sweet potato plants are absolutely thriving in their foam boxes. It's like they're having their own little party in there. These beauties are stretching their vines, reaching for the sky, and showing off their vibrant green leaves. It's like they're saying, "Hey, we're doing great." This is a perfect example of how a little patience and care can lead to truly spectacular results. Think about it when you plant these little cuttings. It's like giving them a tiny home to grow in. You water them, give them some sunshine, and watch them flourish. It's not just about growing sweet potatoes. It's about witnessing the magic of nature unfolding right before your eyes. After 46 days, behold the spectacular transformation. Look at these sweet potato leaves, lush, vibrant, and glowing with vitality. This is not just a feast for the eyes, but a true symbol of success and hard work. What started as tiny cuttings has now turned into a magnificent display of green, showing just how rewarding patience and dedication can be. Imagine the journey from preparing the soil to planting each cutting with care, watering them and watching them grow. Every step was a labor of love, and now we're reaping the fruits of our efforts. The vibrant green leaves are like a celebration of our hard work, a party that nature throws to reward our perseverance. You can almost feel the excitement in the air as these plants stretch and thrive. Each leaf is a testament to the care and attention that went into nurturing them. It's like these sweet potatoes are saying, "Thank you," with their robust growth and lush foliage. What an amazing outcome! The sweet potato plants are lush and thriving, a testament to dedicated care and smart techniques. This success story shows that with the right approach and a lot of passion, anyone can achieve impressive results in gardening. It's a rewarding reminder that perseverance pays off and that each step, from planting to harvesting, is worth the effort. It's harvest time. Be gentle as you make straight cuts and carefully peel away the foam layer. The sweet potatoes underneath are ready to reveal themselves, so take your time and enjoy this rewarding moment. Look at these sweet potatoes. They've grown so big. It's like they've been hitting the gym. You could practically bench press one of these. Who knew foam boxes could produce such champions of the vegetable world? It's like they've been training for the Olympics of root vegetables. Just imagine them flexing their tuberous muscles, showing off to the other garden crops. These beauties are proof that with a little love, patience, and maybe a few pep talks, your garden can produce some real heavyweights. Alright, it's time to get these sweet potatoes out of the foam box and soil. But hey, easy does it. Treat them like delicate treasures, because after all this time, they deserve a grand reveal. Gently now, like you're unwrapping a priceless gift, or maybe like handling an egg that just might start talking. Let's see those beautiful, big sweet potatoes emerge, and make sure you savor the moment. You've worked hard for this. I can't believe it. There are so many sweet potatoes. It's like they've been having a secret party underground this whole time. I thought I was just planting a few, but wow, they've multiplied like crazy. It's a sweet potato bonanza. Where did they all come from? I'm going to need a bigger kitchen for all these. Looks like it's sweet potato everything for the next month: fries, soups, maybe even a sweet potato pie. Who's with me?